Victims of child sex abuse by Catholic priests may finally have their day in court. A local lawyer involved in nearly 100 cases says that a recent court ruling could dramatically change how the statute of limitations is applied. Ralph Iannotti is live tonight with the details. Ralph.
Yeah, hey, Susan. Good evening. Well, tonight, it's still too early to say if the Catholic Diocese of Altoona, Johnstown, will appeal a ruling today which effectively allows a jury, not a judge, to decide if clergy child sex abuse victims should have their day in court. A lawyer representing abuse victim is speaking out tonight, saying he believes that court decision today is a major step in the right direction.
This is a landmark, blockbuster opinion that affects hundreds, if not thousands, of abuse victims of priest abuse, and affects every diocese in Pennsylvania.
A three-judge Pennsylvania Superior Court panel, which issued an opinion attorney Alan Perra said could have a sweeping impact statewide, stemmed from a 2016 grand jury report against the Altoona Johnstown Diocese. The lawsuit accused the then church hierarchy of fraud and conspiracy to protect their reputations and the reputation of a Johnstown area priest. It said church officials in that diocese assigned Father Leo Bodziak to St. Leo's Church despite knowing he molested young girls. Father Bodziak allegedly began abusing a girl identified as Renee Rice in the mid-1970s after her parents agreed she could clean the rectory where he lived. Rice, it said, was allegedly given wine and sexually assaulted. She was about 9 years old when the abuse started, and it continued until she turned 14. Up until now, many clergy sex abuse cases never went to trial, even if credible accusations were made against the members of the clergy. The reason? Because a judge would rule that the statute of limitations had run out. Attorney Perra says abuse victims now have reason to hope that their case will end up not before a judge, but rather in the hands of a jury.
This case and every case that I've had was thrown out just because you said, when did the abuse occur? How old are you? Too late. Now this has changed the law in Pennsylvania, and it's going to open the door for so many victims to seek justice.
And Perra says he'd much rather have his client tell his story to a jury than have a judge automatically say that the statute of limitations has run out. We're live tonight. I'm Ralph Iannotti, KDKA News.